Welcome. Let me quickly explore with you how to use MidJourney. MidJourney is actually an image generator that can be used to generate a lot of image just by text. This is actually one of the best apps out there for you to generate a lot of image, and then I'm going to be taking you through this video. So the first step, you need to go to your Google Chrome. So when you get to your Chrome, just search over there, go to your google.com. So when you get to your google.com, just search on google.com MidJourney. MidJourney is this app, MidJourney AI. So when you get to MidJourney AI, so over here you are going to register and get everything done. So MidJourney AI is the tool that we are going to master, and this is everything. So let's use the word sign in. So sign in to MidJourney, then as usual we sign in with our Gmail account and any other account that we have. Then with this we can get access to this. Let's register. So email account, the creativemind@gmail.com, username creative mind, password, I'm sure the password is not weak again. So with this, I confirm I'm not a robot. I save my password. A lot of verification at this point. I'm looking for the B. 1, 2, 3, verify. Then it's now taking me to Discord. So how do we get Discord? That is the next thing for us to do. Authorize. Okay, you need to verify your account to perform this action. So how do you verify your account? You go to your mail. Then when you get to your mail, at this point we have to download an application on Play Store called Discord. So let me go to Discord, then I install. So I verify my mail. I just verified. So the moment I verified, I'm going back. Then verification done. Why my Discord is still opening? So email verified, and definitely you will like this. I just verified my email. I'm still going back to saying I'm a human, and at this point I have sunflower to use in verifying myself. More sunflower. Okay, another set of sunflower again. Still on verification process. Okay, yes, I'm a human. So we move to Discord. So the next application to download on Play Store is on Discord, and definitely after you download this app, then you move to the next level. So in my next video, I'm going to be teaching you how to integrate MidJourney on Discord. Then from that, we are going to learn the endless possibilities on how to create a lot of AI pictures to use for your books and for anything that you want to use them for. Entrepreneurship can start from here. I see you in my next video. Thank you.